Home Remedies presents DIY garlic oil for joint pain relief. Joint and muscle pain is usually caused due to the accumulation of toxic byproducts created by improper digestion. Knees, ankles, elbows, fingers, and wrists are the worst affected parts of the body. The tissues in and around the affected joints become inflamed and movement of the joint becomes painful. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties have the potential to counter both arthritis and rheumatism. Garlic is considered a rejuvenator. It helps to remove toxins, revitalizes the blood, and stimulates blood circulation. Here is a simple DIY garlic oil recipe to massage over your painful joints. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: garlic 3 to 4 cloves, mustard oil 50 ml. Procedure: take 3 to 4 buds of garlic. Heat them in mustard oil for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the garlic turn brown and your oil is ready. You can apply this oil on the affected area. Use it 3 times a week for a month for best results. It is advisable to make a fresh batch each time you require it, and if you crush the garlic buds and then put them in the mustard oil, it is more effective. The allicin in the garlic starts to degrade within 30 minutes of chopping or crushing the garlic. So it is recommended to use the garlic as soon as possible once it is crushed or chopped. Alternatively, you can also take 5 grams, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste with honey or with food twice a day, which is useful for people experiencing pain in their joints. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.